In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted tasks on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, in my case here, I'm actually using Brave, but of course for you, you can use any other browser. Could be possibly working for you, or like you used to use it. Anyway, then you would like actually to go here and then type asana.com, sorry, asana.com, and you would like to wait until the page load, of course. So that will actually be your home or your main screen, but first of all you would like to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything, you can just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the steps or the boring steps of creating your account. Then of course, when you log in into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And if you want to recover the deleted tasks, so let me just go here to my projects first, choose whatever projects. If you don't have any projects, just go and click at create, then projects, then follow the steps of creating a project. So as you can see, let me just go here to this project as an example, and let's see as an example this task. So let's say as an example, right click on it and click at delete task. So you have two options of like recover the deleted tasks. The first option, which is when you click at delete task, you will have this option which is just deleted. You can undo it at the like so quick. So as you can see, the task is back. But let's say as an example, you like deleted the task yesterday and you don't have this anymore. So what can you do if you want to get your task back? So of course the other option is if you have like the Asana website on your PC like as an application, you will find here a favorite section and you will find there the all tasks. Down this all task you will find deleted tasks. So if you click on that, you will have the option of delete the tasks permanently, and you will not be able to recover them at all, or you can just go and click to recover these tasks and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.